Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I will put this one that is about sine of 5x and sine of 5x to the power of 4. And now we have the formula in here. Because this one that is about sine 4x to the power of 2. Everything to the power of 2. So I will put this one go to the right. And now we need to transform this one into this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosine 5x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative numbers 5 sine 5x dx. Next, because we don't have negative number 5, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 5. This one we change for u. This one we change for u. Sine 5x dx we change for this one. Next, we need to expand this one. So u to the power of 4 multiplied by number 1, number 2, and number 4. So we have like this. Now we have the formula in here. So we put number 4 gone here. So 4 plus 1 we have number 5. The next one that is about number 7. And the next one that is about number 9. About u that is about cosine 5x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.